So very first thing you are going to do is put the date. Today is 12/2/2021, and on the red line you will write revision. Revision because we have done this already. We are doing it again. Okay? And on the very first line you will write past tense. Okay? What is past tense? When we talk about an action that is over, we add D or ED to the doing word or the verb. Okay, for example, I give you one word, ROW, row. Then to make it past tense, we will add ED, and the word is ROWED, road. Okay. So when we add ed to the word row, that makes the past tense of the word row road. ROWED, road. So this action is already over. That is what we call as past tense. Okay? Okay. Let's take another word. Walk. Okay. WALK, walk. To make the past tense, we will add ed to the word and it becomes WALKED, walked. Walk, walked. We have added ed at the end to make the past tense form of the word. Let's take the third word, bake. BAKE, bake. So in this word BAKE, bake, the last word is already E. The last alphabet is already E. So we have to add only D to the word to make the past tense form of bake, that is baked. BAKED, baked. Let's see this once again, children. Third one, BAKE, bake. This word is ending in E. The last letter is E. So we don't have to add ED to the word. We will add only D to the word to make the past tense form, that is BAKED, baked. Okay? Let's see the fourth one. Want. WANT, want. In this word, again we will add ed at the end to make the past tense form of want, and it becomes WANTED, wanted. Okay, let's go for the fifth one, children. And number 5 is ask. ASK, ask. Sixth one is DANCE, dance. Here again you can see that the last letter is E. So we are supposed to add only D to the word to make the past tense form of dance. That is danced. D-A-N-C-E-D. Danced. Okay. Next word is wash. Seventh word I give you. W-A-S-H. Wash. Now what should I add to this word? I will add here ed to make the past tense form. W-A-S-H-E-D. Washed. Wash. Washed. And the eighth word is look. L-O-O-K. Look. So we are going to add ed and our new word is L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. That is the past tense of look. And to make the past tense we have added ed to the word look and the word becomes L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Okay. And our next word is chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. That is the ninth one. So in this one we are going to add only D to the word because the last letter is already E. So we don't need to add one more E here. We will add only D and the word becomes C-H-A-S-E-D. Chased. Chase, chased. We have added only D because the last letter is already E here. Okay. And our 10th one. Number 10th, I give you as okay, wait, I have done. So our 10th word is J U M P, jump. J U M P E D. So we have added ed to the word jump to make the past tense of jump, that is jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. Okay. Let's go through all the words once again, children. So we are doing past tense today. Two rules are there. One is to add ed to the word to make the past tense form. And the second rule is we have to remember that if the word is ending in E, that is the last letter is E. For example, B-A-K-E, bake. Last letter is E here. So if the last letter is E, then we will add only D to the word to form the past tense of the word. Like bake, we will add D to make it baked. B-A-K-E-D. We are not adding ed here because last word is already E. So we are not supposed to add one more E here. We will just add D and make the past tense form. Okay. Let's go through all the words, children. Row, R-O-W, row, plus ed, road, R-O-W-E-D, road. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk, plus ed, W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. Walk, walked. Bake, B-A-K-E, bake, plus D equals baked. B-A-K-E-D, baked. Bake, baked. Fourth one, W-A-N-T, want. We have added ed to the word, and the word is W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. Wanted is the past tense of want. Number 5 is ask. A-S-K, ask. We have to add ed to the word to make the past tense form of the word ask, that is A-S-K-E-D, asked. Number 6, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Now here the last letter is already E, so we will not add ed, we will add only D to the word to make the past tense form, that is D-A-N-C-E-D, danced. Seventh one, wash. W-A-S-H, wash. Here we have added ed to the word to make the past tense form, that is W-A-S-H-E-D, washed. Wash, washed. Number 8, L-O-O-K, look. We have added ed, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. That is the past tense of look. Look, looked. Number 9 is chase. C-H-A-S-E, chase. Now here the last letter is already E, so we will not add ed, we will add only D here to make the past tense form of chase, that is chased. C-H-A-S-E-D, chased. Chase, chased. And the last one, that is the 10th one, J-U-M-P, jump. Again here we have added ed to the word to make the past tense form of jump. And the past tense form is jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. So remember the rule, children. Generally we have to add ed to the word to make the past tense form. And if the last letter is already E, then we will add only D to the word to make the past tense form. I repeat, what is past tense? When we talk about an action that is over, we add D or ed to the doing word or the verb. That is, we call it as past tense. The action which is over. Okay? So this is all for today, children. Thank you.